Who owns the content on your social media page? You or the platform? Let's talk about it. Hi, Attorney Danielle here, and I talk all things tech, business, law, and pop culture. And today we are talking about your social media page and whether or not you own the content on these platforms. Let's get started. So the general question of this video, do you own the content you post on social media? And as a general rule, the content you create and post on social media is considered your intellectual property, and you retain ownership over it. However, it's important to understand that when you agree to the terms of use for your particular platform, you may be granting the platform certain rights to use, display, and distribute your content. For instance, many social media sites require users to grant them a non-exclusive, transferable, sub-licensable, royalty-free, and worldwide license to use the content posted on their platforms. The majority of the platforms use some version of this magic language. Here's an example. Let's take a look at YouTube's terms of service. If we scroll down to the Your Content and Conduct section and then Rights You Grant subsection, it states, you retain ownership rights in your content. However, we do require you to grant certain rights to YouTube and other users of the service as described below. Now, remember this magic language I talked about earlier? Well, here is YouTube's version of this language in the License to YouTube section, and I quote, by providing content to the service, you grant to YouTube a worldwide, non-exclusive, royalty-free, sub-licensable, and transferable license to use that content, including to reproduce, distribute, prepare derivative works, display, and perform it in connection with the service and YouTube and its successors and affiliates business, including for the purpose of promoting and redistributing part or all of the service. Here's another example. Let's take a look at Instagram. If we scroll down to the permissions you give us section, it states, we do not claim ownership of your content, but you grant us a license to use it. It further states when you share, post, or upload content that is covered by intellectual property rights like photos or videos on or in connection with our service, you hereby grant to us a non-exclusive, royalty-free, transferable, sub-licensable, worldwide license to host, use, distribute, modify, run, copy, publicly perform, or display, translate, and create derivative works of your content consistent with your privacy and application settings. So at this point, you're like, girl, what does this even mean? Calm down, I got you. In other words, while you still own the content, you are allowing the platform to use it in certain ways, such as promotion or marketing. Therefore, it's important to carefully review the terms of use or terms of service, whatever they're calling it, for each platform you use to understand what rights you're retaining, what rights you're granting, and how your content could be potentially used by each specific platform. So that's the end of this video, you guys. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. But in the meantime, make sure you're always doing what? Paying attention to the legal details. Bye.